Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total 5 websites where we can create a very high quality do follow directory submission backlink. So the first website name is homedirectory.biz. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me something from my side. Okay, so this is a very simple and a small request from my side. So okay, so this is a first website. So the first website name is homedirectory.biz and all the websites URL I can provide in the description section. So from there you guys can go to access all the sites easily. So you can see top of the menu section there is a add site button. You can click on this and I can go to do directory submission for my index page. But in your case, if you are planning to create directory backlink, so you guys will mostly consider your home page, your index page as the and home page. These are the same. We can call something different name. Okay, so for the directory submission, you can consider your index page or your category page. Category page, that mean where suppose that if you are having a one category our products, there we have listed our all services, all software, are all our all products. So if you guys can planning to create your backlink for your website, so you can consider your category page either your home page. Okay, so now today I can going to proceed create backlink for my index page. So I have already generated a title for my index page and this is the description. Okay, so now we can start. So simply you can see this is a dashboard, so where we can fill all the details. So there I can going to add title. So this is the title, top interview management system, and there this is the my index page URL. There you can add your description. So this is the description and you can paste it over there. There you can add your company name, your email address, then you can choose your category. So my category is employment software, employment, yeah. And after that you can verify your captcha and you can click on the continue button. So you can see the message is captcha was completed successfully and you can see this is the our directory link is submitted. So after that you can click on the latest site button and you will see this is our directory backlink. And if you guys can click on the link details button, so you will found your directory landing page URL. So this is our directory landing page URL and this is the title, and I can show you this is the no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow directory submission backlink. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And the next website is top10dir.net. So you can see there is a add site button. You can click on this and this is the website URL, and there we can add do the same things. So there we can add title, URL, and there we can add a description. So let me pick this one. I have generated a multiple description. So say first one is this, second one is this, and the third one is this. So when I have time, so I can generate a multiple content, then I'm going to start doing backlinking. Okay, so there we can, you guys will fill your all details and you can then you can select your category and you can acknowledge the terms. You can verify your captcha and you can click on the continue button. So you will see our link is submitted. So you guys will click on the latest site button and you can found your directory landing page URL. So you can see top interview management system jobma and there is a link details button. You can click on this. So you will see this is our directory landing page URL and this is the backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you will see it's 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So the next website name is smartdir.org, and this is a different. Okay, so third website is smartdir.org. So there is a add site button. You can click on this, and there you can fill your all details. So there you guys will add your meta title, and you can add your URL, and there you can add your description, your company name, your email ID. Then you can select your category, your business category, and you can acknowledge the term. You can verify your captcha. I missed many times. And after that, you can click on the continue button. So you will see our link is submitted. So you can click on the latest site button. So you will see this is our backlink, and you can this is our directory backlink top interview management system, and you can click on the link details button. So you will see this is our directory submission backlink landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral with contextual. So the next website is nicedir.net. So you can click on the add site button, and there you guys will add your all details, your website URL, and there you can add your description, your company name, your email address. Then you can select your category, employment, and you can verify your captcha. Okay, and click on the continue button. So our link is submitted successfully, and waiting for the approval. So you can click on the latest site button. So you will see this is our backlink, directory backlink top interview management system, and you can click on the link details for the top interview management system, and you will found your directory landing page URL. So you can see this is our directory landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is our website URL, and this is a contextual keyword, and there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created do follow backlink on this site. So the next website name is populardirectory.biz. So you can see there is a submit link button. You can click on this. I think we are sorry, but link submission are closed. We will be back in 24 hours. So for the 24 hours, this site will close to submitting new directory backlink on this site. So I guess they are doing something technical changes on this site. So when you guys are watching this video, so you can try to create your backlink on this site. So if you can, so you can create. Okay, so this is the process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me some things. Okay, so okay, bye bye, and take care.